Hi to all employees in Hong Kong. My name is Jennifer Gadil, 43 years old. I am a Filipino. I have 3 kids, ages 24, 21, and 19 years old. I have experience in Philippines as helper for 2 years. I serve 4 members of the family, 3 adults and 1 newborn baby. Also, I have experience as domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years and 2 months. I serve 4 members of the family, 2 adults, and 2 kids. I do household chores like cleaning, washing, wash the dishes, clean house, and also marketing and car washing, and taking care of babies also. I love babies. Please hire me as your helper, ma'am, sir. I am dedicated to work patient and trustworthy also, and I love kids. I have long patience. Also, I'm currently here in Hong Kong for 10 months. Thank you, ma'am, sir. I'm looking forward to see you soon. I'm so excited. Thank you.